The desert stretched endlessly beneath the blazing sun, a sea of sand and silence. But, along the banks of the Nile, life moved with purpose. This was ancient Egypt, a civilization guided by the gods, the stars, and the profound belief that death was not an end, but a journey. At the heart of this belief rose an ambition unlike anything the world had ever seen: the pyramids. The vision began with the pharaoh. He wasn't just a king. He was a living god, chosen to maintain order between heaven and earth. So when he spoke of his tomb, he wasn't speaking of death, but of eternity. His final resting place had to be worthy of a ruler who would join the gods and watch over Egypt forever. This wasn't just a building. It was a stairway to the stars. To achieve this monumental task, thousands of workers gathered. Forget the old myths of slaves being whipped under the sun. These were skilled laborers, farmers, engineers, and artisans. When the Nile flooded each year, making farming impossible, they came to the construction site with pride. They were fed, housed, and honored, knowing they were building something sacred for their god king and their nation. Every single stone they touched carried meaning. The first great challenge was the stone itself. Massive limestone blocks, some weighing more than a car, were cut from nearby quarries using simple copper tools and sheer determination. Imagine the sound of thousands of chisels echoing across the desert as men worked in teams, guided by master builders who understood geometry long before it even had a name. The blocks were then transported on massive wooden sledges. But how did they move them across the sand? The answer was simple yet brilliant. They poured water on the sand in front of the sledge, reducing friction and allowing the immense weight to be pulled with surprising ease. It was a solution born from pure observation and ingenuity. As the pyramid began to rise, precision became everything. The base had to be perfectly level, and its sides aligned with the cardinal directions: north, south, east, and west. How did they achieve this without modern compasses? They looked to the sky. Priests and astronomers worked together at night, studying the constellations, tracking the movement of the stars to ensure the structure mirrored cosmic order. To the Egyptians, the pyramid wasn't just a pile of stones. It was a bridge connecting the earth with the heavens, a physical anchor for the eternal soul. To get the blocks higher and higher, massive ramps of mud brick and stone were built, spiraling around the growing structure. Day after day, under the relentless sun, workers hauled the heavy blocks upward, often chanting in rhythm to maintain their strength and unity. This was a community effort. Injuries were treated by physicians on site, and workers who fell were given honored burials. This wasn't forced labor, it was devotion. Inside the pyramid, a hidden world of chambers and passageways took shape. The pharaoh's burial chamber was at the very heart, designed with incredible care. Its walls were filled with treasures, intricate inscriptions, and protective symbols. Every carving told a story, every hieroglyph was a prayer, a spell to guide the pharaoh's soul safely on his journey through the underworld and into the afterlife. Years turned into decades. Children who saw the first stones laid grew into men who placed the final ones. From a distance, the pyramid looked like a mountain carved by human hands, its surface originally covered in smooth, polished white limestone. It would have shone so brightly under the sun that it seemed to glow, a beacon of light visible for miles, a declaration of Egypt's power, faith, and unity. At last, after a lifetime of work, the pyramid was complete. A golden capstone was placed at the very top in a sacred ceremony, sealing the structure and its divine purpose. When the pharaoh finally passed away, his body was meticulously prepared, wrapped in linen, and laid to rest deep within his eternal home. Rituals were performed, incense burned, and prayers spoken. The tomb was sealed not as an ending, but as the beginning of a new immortal life. Centuries passed, kingdoms rose and fell. The desert sands slowly covered the workers' villages, and their names were forgotten. But the pyramids remained. They have stood for over 4,000 years as silent witnesses to human ingenuity, discipline, and belief. Built without steel, without electricity, without modern machines, they challenged time itself. Even today, they inspire awe, reminding us all that when faith, knowledge, and unity come together, humanity can shape stone into immortality. Thanks for watching. If you enjoyed this journey back in time, don't forget to like and subscribe for more stories from history.